Well, I guess there's worse cars to work on. So everyone, in the garage today is my brother's beautiful Audi RS6, which is in need of some work because, as you can see just here, he had a little bit of a bump. So what ended up happening was, as he got the car back from the insurance and stuff after the whole deal with the theft and everything, he put it in the garage. It was next to the GTR, which I've got at his place at the moment. As he was trying to drive the car out of the garage, he completely forgot that he's put the bollards up in the front of the garage, which he then drove this into nicely, did a little bit of burnout. Or not really a burnout, but just a little bit of wheel spin. Basically, he hit the bollards. It's made a little bit of a damage on the front of the car. So, looking to get as much of that changed as he can. So, he's tried taking off as much as he can, but he's gotten a little bit stuck. So, he's brought the car over to me, so I can kind of help with taking off that lower trim piece. First up at the moment is just basically trying to slide out. It's supposed to slide out, and it's not at the moment. So I'm gonna try and see what I can do about that and then take it from there. So let's go. I guess the best way to put it is my brother is a funny guy. He was struggling so much with removing that splitter. He ended up breaking the other plastic one up as much as he could to get rid of this, but he didn't realize that this has all these other clips or screws, sorry, on the back of it. 6 screws on the back, as well as these 2 up here. He thought that there's other 6 screws. I don't even know why he thought of them, to be honest. He didn't see them, but off camera, I basically took them all off with my electric ratchet. Again, lifesaver of a tool. Probably genuinely one of the best investments I've made. I use it on practically every job that I do near enough. Electric tools make a big difference. Got that all off now. Time to put this one on. It's a bit challenging because the contours of it kind of matches in with the contours of the bumper. So just gotta basically take that all off now and then be able to look at putting on everything. He's also got the front diffuser and stuff in the boot already, but we'll get to that later. This is good news for now, so let's carry on. Now, before I put this piece on, I thought we'd just quickly appreciate this beautiful carbon fiber. Just ooh, yummy. It's pretty nice. Pretty nice. But yeah, time to slide this on. I gotta take off these screws and yeah, put the new one on. So here is the car all finished up now, ladies and gentlemen. As you can see, lovely bit of carbon fiber. Carbon's fiber. Whoa, need to drop the GoPro. Ah! Oh! But yeah. Ooh, I do love this color, seriously. Just look at that. You can kind of see the green coming through the camera. It's just so dark and menacing. I've said to my brother though, by having that piece carbon fiber now, we need to get some more carbon fiber on this car. So that's probably something that he's gonna look to save up on, because obviously with his GTR project and stuff, it's all getting a bit chaotic. But first proper, I guess, modification with this car, apart from, well, installing the dash cam and stuff, but that's not really a modification, that's just like a security feature. But this is the first modification that's been added, and yeah, it looks to be a good one. Quite happy with it. Finally get the car out of the garage tomorrow, I think. But yeah, good result for this part of the video. Right, on to the next thing. Back at Asda, which is where we filmed the first video with this car. It's also going to be the last video with this car, which is, I guess, to understand why I just mentioned that, you have to subscribe to the channel. You have to wait for the next upload, because all will be explained. Fingers crossed you enjoyed this part of the video and found it helpful. If you do own an RS6 and you want to look at getting the same carbon fiber, I'll leave a link for the splitter in the description down below. But for now, everyone, I will see you all in the next video. Peace out. Bye.